warmly welcome, my Lord, the Honorable and Principal Judge, led by the Executive Director and the Registrar, warmly welcome you for this induction. Thank you. Anthem.
My name is Acting Chief Magistrate,
Acting Chief Magistrate, Toronto.
Good to have you here.
My Lord the Principal Judge, my name is Piona Birungi, Acting Chief Magistrate.
My Lords and Worships, Naswazire Henaseboa, Acting Chief Magistrate, Mukono.
My name is Irene Amatia, Acting Chief Magistrate, Doklo and Amolata.
Good to have you here. Welcome. Thank you.
My Lord, my name is John, Magistrate Grade 1 Research, attached to the
Good afternoon, my name is Joanna, Magistrate.
Moyo and Bongi. Asaija, Magistrate Grade 1, Morocco CA, caretaking number. Magistrate Grade 1, Amurat.
And my country. My Lord the CJ, it's now my pleasure to invite you to address your...
Yeah. So I will now summarize. Judicial officers who are undergoing this training. Once again, I congratulate each one of you and all of you.
The magistrate has come, the chief magistrate has come. All of a sudden, they're the one, you know, always in your presence, familiarizing you. Be careful with those people, the dangerous people. You'll find them everywhere. Before you know, they'll begin gradually but surely misleading you. And many of them, even when you're straight, they go out there and make money in their name. The Chief Justice has come, he has to wait for you to finish hearing this. Because you disrupt, it might occasion miscarriage of justice. You lose that train. That witness has to walk 15 miles back home, 15 miles to convert it to kilometers. And you begin quaking that the principal judge has come, the Chief Justice has come, the Minister of Justice has come, and then you compel this person to sleep in this place. You do not have the money to sleep. First of all, you have sold away your authority, your power as a judicial officer, because someone has come to your court and announced, or if they were announced, they've come late, not at the appointed time. So sit in court, finish the matter, the Chief Justice has got to wait. We can do other things and come back. If you live where that, okay, I found worship or have worship in court, I'm still going to do a few things. Please inform him or her that I might be late in coming. Then after 5 years, don't come. It's okay, you wait for him. Don't walk away. Again, now you go back. And if you sit there, what type of conversation should you permit them to indulge in? Or if you sit in a place like this, and Man U and Arsenal, don't know why you people are not interested in Mungeri United and Kakira United. I mean, you just go to Europe. So you go watch them. What's wrong with you having a side table there? Take your wine, take your beer, take your something, and then you go home. This is that slips. There's no hide and fast rule. Make that decision. The principal judge has told you about the things you should not do. Now, if you're poor in water, you're poor in whatever liquid, you pour it carefully because it's a narrow opening. The bottleneck is small, it's narrow. So you've got to be patient. So assuming water was competing to enter here, and then there is this water which has successfully entered this through this bottleneck. And then God exists. Howsoever we worship Him, God exists. And then there is judgment. There is judgment. So please go to these stations of yours, listen to what the Honorable Principal Judge has said. Go, you have a purpose, you have a mandate, you have an assignment which you took oath for. Go and render justice. Shine. The more difficult the place, the more remote the place you are employed in, the better for you. Many people think they suffer when they are out of Kampala. Nobody is going to notice you in Kampala, but we're going to notice you when you are in Gabon, north of Kenya. We're going to notice you when you are in Germany. You will be noticed when you are in Chengema. So that's why you shine. And many of you fear when people complain against you. No. As a matter of fact, you just pray that people should complain against you. When you know you're doing the right thing. Because that will make us notice. Because when we get the same inspectorates, and they will come with beautiful report on you. We take note. That goes into your file. Don't quake that they have reported. And nobody is going to punish you because you made a judgment which is wrong. No. What is a judgment? A reasoned opinion of a judicial officer. Reason your judgment. If you are wrong, the appellate court will say you are wrong. You'll never miss promotion because you got a wrong judgment. No. So go out there, perform, and render justice. Let everywhere you work should be remembered as that judicial officer who did not bend the law, did not bend the practice. You will find in your courts, the person who has to pay the lawyer cost of 10 million. Where do you, how can you say there is access to justice if you're going to ask for payment of 10 million? Who will come to court? People are going to lose their rights because they fear in case you lose. And why does it come to 10 million? The lawyer who comes from 100 kilometers away finds that he has had to hire a vehicle. Each time he comes to hire a vehicle. Hire for whole day. Reject it, say no. Don't they have taxis or buses flying? If they are there, why do you hire? Refuse it. Reject it. If you have your vehicle, you say, what's the cost of fuel? And a little bit for service. Yes. Otherwise, only the wealthy will come to your court. Poor people like me will say, let them take my land. At least the land I'm fighting for is 5 million. If I lose the land, and then I pay 10 million. So it's big on the lookout. That's why you should consult senior people, consult the nearest judge, or any judge you know. Do not consult lawyers. You don't belong to the same, you're not birds of the same feather. Be selfless, work with a clear conscience, know that you can receive the principal judge, you can receive the chief registrar, you can receive the chief justice. And if you have taken a bribe, there are a minimum of 3 people who know about that bribe. You certainly know you've taken a bribe. The one who has given you the money or whatever it is knows you've taken the bribe. And the moment that one knows, the whole world will know. Anything that is known by more than one person is no longer a secret. It can only be in confidence. The secret is when you've done it alone. But even with the secret, there are two people who know. You and your God. You know the secret, God up there also knows the secret. And you'll account one day. Whether you believe in God or not, you'll account. So please have clear conscience. You are the software. I talked to you when I was swearing you. Go to your court and promote ADR. Identify credible people with integrity in the area, church leaders, certain cultural leaders, eminent persons. They're everywhere. There's no society without something. And you need to understand ADR because that's the in thing now. That's the way to go. That's the only way we will fight case backed up. That's the only way we will adjudicate with harmony. That's the outcome. So please understand ADR, practice it, promote it, and find your work without losing it. We're working on amendment of the Magistrate Courts Act to enhance the monetary jurisdiction. Meaning you're being given responsibility to determine sums of money bigger than what it is now. A way up from 20 and up from 50. Which are the two upper limits. Prepare yourself for that. And then, for those of you, the 12 who are here, chief magistrates, you're a very powerful police officer. You play oversight role over the magistrates grade 1 in your jurisdiction. You have to lead by yourself. You have to inspect on what they do. You have to give advice, mentor. If your grade 1 comes to your court at 8:30 and waits up to 11 for you to come, and comes 3 times, and that is your routine, that grade 1 is going to begin coming at midday. How will you all over that person? So you must be the example.
Is clear evidence of the expectations of the judiciary top management in you and the seriousness with which they recognize your recruitment as a vital element in the success of the judiciary's journey of improving the administration of justice, which is the key mandate of the judiciary, and also enhancing justice to all, and enhancing access to justice for all. Please take their words of wisdom seriously, and let their words be your guide to a successful judicial career. And this also applies to the rest of the members of the judicial top management that you think that will be coming to talk to you. Some more will be coming to talk to you. Your appointment and elevation to higher positions is an honor and welcome step in the transformation agenda of the judiciary, which we are undertaking. The increase in the numbers of judicial officers at various levels and capacity strengthening for improved and effective service delivery in the administration of justice are key priorities in the new judiciary. My Lord, the CJ, the key mandate of the Judicial Training Institute under the Administration of the Judiciary Act is to provide continuous specialized training to judiciary staff. It is also the policy of the government of Uganda that persons who join public service and serving officers who are promoted should be inducted in their new roles. It is therefore our pleasant duty It is therefore our present duty as the Judicial Training Institute to ensure that all newly appointed judicial officers are inducted so that they know what to do as they perform their duties. And it is for this reason that we are conducting this induction training.
So this induction gives you an opportunity to acquire practical knowledge and the necessary skills to perform your new roles effectively and efficiently. I implore you to concentrate and maximize these 2 weeks of training. I have scanned through the training program and the topics selected by the JTI team. I'm sure that you will, at the end of the training, be equipped with the different skills that will help you navigate through your daily work as a judicial officer or administrator at your different stations. As you may know, the judiciary's core mandate is the adjudication of civil and criminal disputes. In the execution of this mandate, you must keep in mind the constitutional provisions of Article 126 of the Constitution of Uganda, which states that judicial power is derived from the people and shall be exercised by the courts established under this Constitution in the name of the people and in conformity with the law and with the values, norms, and aspirations of the people. You must therefore keep the people at the center of your services and observe these principles. Number one, do justice all irrespective of their socio-economic status. You go there and you do not know that in the rural area, there is someone who cannot afford 1,000 to come to court. So I always want you to appreciate the environment in which you work. And so we do justice to all irrespective of their social or economic status. So when you get such a person in your court, how do you help her also to realize justice? So that should be at the back of your mind. Am I serving the rich, those who can afford, or I also serve those who cannot afford? The second one, offer justice without delay. I know some of you delay matters in court. Make orders for adequate compensation to victims of the wrongs. So in other words, as you dispense justice, look at the aspect of compensation as well. Don't always just hand over sentences and then you forget the aspect of compensation.